Hello, this is Patrick Moore. If you have a pencil and paper, I can show you the cause of substance use disorders in terms of the affective risk response system right now in a simple experiment. Here's the experiment. All I want you to do is a piece of paper with a pen, or even just in the air, sign your name. Sign your name just like you would to a check. Give you a few seconds to do that. Let me ask you a few questions. Was it hard? Did it take a lot of time? Did it take a lot of energy? Was it stressful? No. It usually takes a few seconds. The results are something that everybody's pleased with. Doesn't take any energy. Happens very naturally. Do it without thinking about it, just like a habit. Here's the other half of the experiment. Now I want you to sign your name and use your other hand. Give you a few seconds. Alright, what you'll find is it's a different experience. You have to think about it. It's not a habit. It takes energy. Usually we're not as happy with the results. It's not a habit. So what's this got to do with substance use disorders? Well, signing your name can be explained as a developmental exercise in terms of only two affective risk response factors, what I call risk response factors. The first one is called risk benefit. This forms the y-axis. In order to sign our name, we have to find some beneficial, to do anything, it's got to be some beneficial, high benefit, low risk way to do it. But that in itself is not enough. We also need another factor. This is new to familiar. So when we start something new and do it low risk and high benefit enough over time, we will end up over in this quadrant here and habituate it. We'll make it familiar over here. That's what we mean by y is a function of x. Y, risk benefit, the outcomes depend on how new and familiar act on risk benefit over time, and there's your curve. High benefit development, there's your adult signature. Do we need any other factors for an acceptable or happy adult signature? No, this is the minimum. But we need these. These are absolutely necessary. But we don't need any others. We need the action from here to here. And it has to be above the risk line over here. That's it. If we do something enough in a beneficial enough way, and it benefits us over time, it becomes a habit. So it should. Well, when we look at addiction and we replace a signature with autonomy and an objective like contribute, autonomy is the capacity to make an informed, uncoerced decision. Contribute is to help achieve or provide. Or as compared to dependence down here, the state of relying on or being controlled by someone or something else, and survival, which is continuing to live or exist, especially in spite of danger or hardship. Addiction is simply mistaking here for here. These people believe they're autonomous. Can't explain that in two factors, but with just four more factors, this can be modeled in a way that other people can see how they got to where they are and how to get to somewhere else. And they can also see that in others. And rather than avoiding others, they can help them. So, visit Prehabexperiment2.com. There you can find your risk level, find your risk benefit pattern, and adjust. Thank you for your time and attention.